Good afternoon, everyone. Medical terminology. Every medical terms having minimum 3 parts. For better understanding, we need to know about it. What is meant by medical terminology? Terminology means study of terms. So medical terminology means study of medical terms. Vocabulary. Accurately describing human body associated components, conditions, process, science-based manner. Use in medical and nursing field. Every medical words three parts used to word building and term comprehension. Prefix, root, suffix. Prefix means addition to the beginning of the word. Suffixes added to the end of the word to form another word. Root contain the main meaning of word. Look at this one general word. This is not a medical word. Unreadable. Un means not. Read means reading. Able means ability, can be done. Prefix, suffix, root. Next, we need to think about medical terms. Epicardium. Epi, outer, cord related to heart, eum. Cardiovascular. Here 4 parts are available. Heart, O, vascular. Cardiology. Study of heart or circulatory system. Next important question is that the medical words originated from where? All medical words are originated from Greek and Latin. For example, uterus is a part of human body, mainly reproductive system, female reproductive system. Having used different terms, look at this. Hystro is a Greek. One of the medical term is that hysterectomy, removal of uterus, no surgical procedure. Metro is also a Greek word. Utero is a Latin. So these related terms, prefix used to explain about different conditions, different name of medicines, or we can see. So this example only. So every medical terms are originated from Greek and Latin, having three parts. And every student, nurses should be conceptualized for understanding the words. When you read the specialty books, as well as in the beginning, difficult to understanding the words. So this knowledge very useful for you, for easy to memorizing and conceptualizing the concepts. Any clarifications?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Previous class, we had been learned that muscular and glandular control of behavior, neurotransmitters, in glandular control. First, today we have to start with endocrine glands and their functions. Already we had drawn a diagram, wonderful pictures. What are the endocrine glands having? What are the parts of human body? What are the areas of human body having this glands? So today their functions. Gland, pineal gland. Functions are regulate seasonal change and puberty, mainly growth and development. Hypothalamus, regulate hormones related from pituitary gland, stimulate pituitary. Then pituitary gland produce a number of hormones which stimulate growth and development as well as stimulate other endocrine glands. Thyroid, involved in metabolism and blood homeostasis, maintain balance, water balance, nutritional balance. Next, adrenal gland regulate metabolism and body hair, helps maintain blood sugar level. Pancreas metabolism of sugars, maintaining sugar level in the blood. Gonads, mainly ovaries and testes, stimulate the development and maintenance of sex characteristics and behavior. Also very important for growth and development, mental and physical growth. Then stomach involved in digestive process. Heart promotes salt loss in urine, etc. Hormones. So next, this section we are going to detail about each types of hormone and their functions. What is meant by hormones? Chemical substances, messenger molecules in the body. Made in one part of body and travel to another part. Help control how cells and organs do their work. Already we had seen that types of hormones. Every hormone is doing different role. The endocrine glands secrete different types of hormones and try to control and maintain balance in physiological balance in human body. Steroids and non-steroid hormones. Steroids synthesize starting with cholesterol. This example, testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. These are the example for steroid hormones. Then non-steroid hormones are peptide base. Endocrine glands and their hormones. First, hypothalamus. The hormones regulate anterior pituitary hormones. The posterior pituitary produce following hormones. First, ADH, anti-diuretic hormone. Stimulate reabsorbing heat by heat, water. Second, oxytocin. Stimulate uterine muscles, contraction, release of milk in mammary gland. C, anterior pituitary gland. TCH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Stimulate thyroid. Second, corticotrophic, ACTH, stimulate adrenal cortex. Three, gonadotropic, FSH, which means follicle stimulating hormone. Stimulate egg and sperm in mainly egg for females, sperm for males. Production, which may be called, these hormones are called as sex hormones. Fourth one, PRL, prolactin, milk production, mainly mammary gland. Time of motherhood. Fifth one, growth, GH, cell division and protein synthesis, bone growth, etc. D, thyroid gland. T4, thyroxine. T3, tri means three, triiodothyroin, thyrone. So which is terminology, triiodothyroin, T3. Increasing metabolic rate, regulate growth and development. Second one, calcitonin. Calcitonin. Lower blood calcium level.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Aquila.
Sir, യദുവിനെ ഒന്ന് അഡ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവോ? കട്ടായി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു.
Please wait. Can you ask to rejoin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this fact is that, look at this, in the name of this hormone, their functions within itself. Calcitonin. Calci means calcium. Tonin means lowering. Lower blood calcium level. E, parathyroids. PTH, raise blood calcium level. PTH. You have adrenal cortex. Glucocorticoids. Other name, cortisol. Raise, yes, now admitted.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Blood glucose level, stimulate breakdown of protein. Second, mineralocotricoids. So this chemical name is maybe called as adenosterone. reabsorb sodium and excrete potassium. Third one, sex hormones, stimulates reproduction. Mainly reproductive organs, which means reproductive organs such as ovaries and testes, and this to secrete testosterone as well as estrogen and progesterone. Look at this. This is kidney, top of the kidney situated adrenal gland. G, adrenal medulla. Epinephrine and norepinephrine released in emergency situations for defense mechanism, mainly fight or flight response. Raise blood glucose level, blood pressure. Heights pancreas. 1. Insulin lowers blood glucose levels, promotes formation of glycogen, and as we know that insulin deficiency cause is disease, diabetes. Glucogen, raise blood glucose level. High testis, adrenogens, which may be other name is that testosterone, stimulate male sex characteristics. G, ovaries, estrogen and progesterone stimulate sex characteristics for females. K, thymus, maturation of T lymphocytes. So thymus is important hormone which is immunity power, determine and promote control. I, pineal gland, control circadian rhythm, which means biological clock, maturation of sexual organs. And role of hormone, we will be learn next link. Students, these all the hormones. Can you name all the hormones? These all the hormones are used as a biological medicine, mainly in the pharmacology. They used to use as a medicine. So just to conceptualize about it. For example, any hormone deficiency use as well as balancing, treat various diseases to maintain biology or metabolism of human body. Nancy T. George, Nancy. Nancy, can you list
Sir.
what are the hormones produced by adrenal cortex?
Yes, sir. Glucose. And then potassium, K plus. And last one, that stimulate the reproductive organs.
Excellent, good. Nice answer. Thank you, Nancy.
Okay, sir.
Role of hormones. First role, regulate fluid, blood pressure. Second, control entire digestive process. Provide energy. 3, regulate circadian rhythm, which may be called as body clock. 4, contraction of smooth muscle heart. Glandular secretions. Five, immunosystem activities. 6, growth and development. 7, reproductive, regulate reproductive system. Next heading, hormones, possible behavioral correlation. To altered secretion. Look at this, growth hormone, possible behavior. Anorexia nervosa. Increased level, insomnia, anxiety, emotional liability, apprehension. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Decreased level, depression, fatigue, dull, mental pressure, apathy. 3, ACTH, adrenocorticotrophin. Increased level which cause mood disorder, psychosis, decrease libido. Libido means psychic energy. Increasing level, decreasing level, depression, apathy, and fatigue. Gonadotrophic hormone, increased level, depression, anxiety, decreased level, libido, and irritability. Fifth, MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone, which decreased level, depression, and anorexia nervosa. Is one message available, please wait. Excuse me, sir, my name is not in the, okay. Wait, I will be included, okay, don't worry. No worry about it. Fatima, I will be added. So in decreased level, depression and anorexia nervosa. Then anti-diuretic hormone, increased level, increased sexual behavior and aggressiveness. Oxytocin, increased level, which means above the normal level, cause depression, dyspsia, altered pain response, modified sleep patterns, maybe loss of sleeping, etc. Major process controlled by body hormones, by hormones. First process, reproduction. Second, growth and development. 3, mobilize body against stress. Fight and flight situation, mainly stress hormones, adrenal. Fourth one, mainly corticosteroids. Fourth one, maintenance, electrolyte, water, nutrient balance in body, and metabolism. So what do you think about it? These are the hormones. These have been control the biology of body. So these all the hormones are used as a medicine. Okay, if in increasing level, use reducing drugs may be applied to reducing the level of the some hormones, or reducing hormones, increasing the maybe administration of some hormone as a medicine to maintain balance, mainly reduce the stress or maintaining the body fluid balance, etc. Then process, physiology of behavior. So this section we are going to detail about how we have behave. It's a step-by-step process. First, environment. We have interact with the environment, sensory neurons, sense organs, brain, cognitive process, PNS and CNS involved, knowing, process of knowing, mainly after the perception. Look at this sense organ, and after the perception, learning, memory, like this. Then glandular system, endocrine and exocrine system involved to maintain balance, to tackle with situation, environment, internal as well as external environments, relay neurons, interneurons, motor neurons, and musculoskeletal neuron system, contraction and relaxation, then behavior. So this is physiology of behavior or psychology of behavior. Biological basis of behavior. So clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for some more understanding here, one of the picture available reflects so how neuron type work together. This is sensory neuron, motor neuron, association neuron. Association means interneuron. So first stimulus from the environment, receptors, that these sensory neurons available every sense organs receive informations. This may be called as afferents and afferent fibers. In this same nerve, look at this, and sensory cell body to interneuron or association neuron, white matter in the spinal cord, and in between, then motor neuron response. For example, next pictures are available for better understanding. Look at this sensory receptors from sense organ. This is skin, afferent neurons, then interneurons, efferent, and muscle for reflection. So this is already we had been learned that. So this is most best picture for better understanding. Sense hot object, direction of the impulses to green in color to then information went to via brain, axon of afferent neuron, brain, and analyze the information, cognitive process through learning, memory, analyze the information and cognition, then take action to instruct through the interneuron connect to the blue in color. Look at this. And take action, whether in a favorable environment or heat is there, hot, just reflection. So this is the process of behavior. Nerves how involved to determine behavior. So in this exchange of information, use the neurotransmitters. Also involve the hormones, to maintaining the situations, environment. And so this is the process to biological basis of behavior. An explanation going on. Stimulus from environment, physical, biological, social, psychological environment. Physical environment means non-living things. Example, hot, heat or cold. Biological environment means living things nearby. We can see through human eyes. Social, psychological and social environment. Interact with other people, we may receive pleasant information or unpleasant information, desirable information or undesirable information. When we desirable information, pleasant, hormones will be secreted. Look at this next. Sensory neurons. The sense organs perceive stimulus by sensory neurons, reach sensory cortex. In brain, then brain cognitive process, by already we had been learned that every parts of brain involved to different function to processing the information from the environment, involve PNS and CNS, determine action, whether which type of action to take to maintain balance. Which means behavior, which type of behavior. Then glandular system, such as endocrine, exocrine, hormones, enzymes involved stimulate interneuron. Then relay neuron. It is neuron which is transmit information to motor neuron. Motor neuron, this neuron receive information from brain through interneuron using neurotransmitters Example, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Epinephrine increasing the blood level. Norepinephrine try to maintain the balance, lowering the blood pressure. Then musculoskeletal system, the motor neurons influenced by information receiving from the brain, which have been determined by contraction or reflection of muscles and skeletal system. Behavior, which control behavior of internal organs as well as external behavior. So endocrine disorders we will learn next class. So this section we had wonderful experience, you know. The reason is that clear understanding is understood about why, how we have behaved. Process, you know. What are the contribution of hormones and endocrine glands? Endocrine glands what secrete, what are the hormones and their functions? Etc. Thyroid stimulating hormone and its behavioral control. Thyroid stimulating hormone and its control.
Yes, sir. Behavior control, decrease the level depression,
Yes.
fatigue, then dull mental process.
Okay. Thank you, Arya.
Thank you, sir.
Any clarifications? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.